Welcome to GuruFocus Explainer. I'm so thrilled to have you here today. If you've ever stared at a stock market ticker and just felt completely overwhelmed by all those numbers flashing across the screen, you're definitely not alone. It's a lot. But today, I'm going to be your friendly financial guide. Our goal? We're going to easily figure out what a stock is actually worth, and we're going to do it entirely without any of that confusing Wall Street jargon. Sound good? So at the very heart of everything we do is this core concept called GF value. Simply put, GF value is just our special, customized way of figuring out a fair, reasonable price for a stock today. Just think of it as a super helpful estimate. It basically looks at a company's own unique history, its past business performance, to answer one absolutely crucial question. What should this business actually cost right now? It completely cuts through all that crazy daily market noise to give you a really clear baseline of what we call fair value. Let's break down how we actually calculate it. Imagine your neighbor is selling their local lemonade stand, right? And you want to buy it. How do you actually know what a fair price is? Well, first off, you'd probably look at their sales from past summers. That's step one, which we call historical multiples. Next up, you'd inspect the physical stand itself and, of course, the quality of their secret recipe. That's step two, the actual business fundamentals. And finally, for step three, you'd look around the neighborhood to see if it's growing and bringing in more thirsty customers. That represents future growth. And honestly, that is exactly how the three parts of the GF value formula work together. It really is that simple. Okay, so the absolute key here is understanding the difference between the price tag and the actual worth. Think of the current share price as just today's price tag. It fluctuates wildly, right? Totally based on the mood of the market. But then, on the flip side, we have the GF value. This is what the underlying business is actually worth, based on those solid facts we just talked about. As an investor, your job is to always compare that daily price tag to the actual worth. That's how you know if you're getting a good deal. Which brings us to something super practical, the price to GF value ratio. Think of it kind of like shopping for clothes. Say you see this beautiful jacket with a price tag of $80, but you know for a fact its actual worth is $100. You're getting a 20% discount, right? That gives you a ratio of 0.8. In the stock market, if this number is under 1, it literally means the price tag is lower than the actual worth. You might just be getting a fantastic discount on that stock. But if it's over 1, well, you might be overpaying. Now, to make this whole process even easier for you, GuruFocus automatically uses this math to label stocks. When you fire up our screener, it sorts everything into really straightforward categories. You've got significantly overvalued, which means it's way too expensive, all the way down to significantly undervalued, meaning it's basically in the bargain bin. But hey, quick mentor warning for you here. Always watch out for value traps. Sometimes a stock is super cheap just because, well, the lemonade recipe went bad. You've always got to double-check the actual business quality to make sure that shiny discount isn't actually a hidden risk. So what does this all mean for you? Well, it brings us to one final exciting question. Which undervalued stock will you find today? You now have the tools and the knowledge to look right past those flashing daily price tags and see what a business is actually worth. I highly encourage you to hop onto GuruFocus right now and confidently use the GF value screening tool to hunt for your next great investment. Happy hunting out there, and I'll catch you next time.